Hey everybody, how's it going? I thought I would hop on today and let you guys all know that I have not forgotten about you. Look at the trash can up in the corner there. Moving is so much fun. It's a grubby day today. I've got floor installers and carpet cleaners and been painting, been staging and moving. Right now I've got everything up off the floor so the carpet cleaners can come and make this carpet look nice for somebody else to move into my house. House goes on the market in a couple of days. Then we hop in the car and we head to Arizona to go look for another house. And so my life is crazy. It is insane right now. But it's all good because big things are coming, big things are happening in my life and in my business, and my days here in Dallas have become extremely short. I thought I would have more time. I'm thinking I have time to go have lunch with people and go visit this person and that person, but no, as soon as it was, the move was on go, it was like boom, 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 and I've been going nonstop. But I just wanted you guys to know that I have not forgotten about you. You're on my mind often. I just my time in my awake time, hi Cynthia, is just so filled right now with a bazillion things. And so like I said, our house is going on the market here in a couple of days, and so we're going to try and leave town while that happens. And anyway, so Cynthia, what does this say? It says, want to know who's watching live, swipe left to see who your viewers are. They're always making updates to Facebook, and I usually am on top of it, but these last week or so I'm not. So I wanted to talk a little bit about call to action. I said I was going to sit down and do something for you guys, but I just didn't have a chance. And hi Bridget. Bridget is a former Vegas girl like me, and she moved into this market here in Dallas, and now she's doing makeup as well. Mariposa, hi, how are you? So what is a call to action? A call to action is a marketing term that marketers use, and typically when you're building a web page or you're building a post or you're building some sort of visual marketing tool to attract viewers, it is wise to always have some sort of call to action. And sometimes it is a little button that says, click here, or it is a little form that says subscribe, or it's a little, it's something that makes whoever is reading the ad, the web page, the email, the social media post, to actually make them physically do something, which is to click, to call, to follow through. That is a call to action. And when I was with Terry Tomlinson last week, one of the girls in the group, and I can't remember who, it was Kim Wood. Kim Wood, credit to her. She said one of her fears when she is posting her work on Facebook is that people will think that she is so busy that they don't need to call her. And I totally get that, because having been in the business for such a long time, that would happen. And I would hear people say that about other makeup artists. Oh, I don't call her, she's just too busy. So that is not something when you are emailing, posting, doing your marketing materials to your list, to your Facebook friends, etc., your Instagram. One thing you don't want to, you want to have a call to action, because what that does is it lets them know that, wait, let me back up a little bit. So your call to action needs to be a call me and I'm available. It needs to be, say hello, different things like that. You want to use little taglines for your call to action that says, come and engage with me, and I am available to work with you. So say I have a commercial that I did. I want to post it on my social media pages, and I say, hey, look at this really cool, commercial that I did. If you want me to do something for you guys, please give me a call, I'm available. Instead of just saying, look at me, I am fabulous, look what I did, look what I'm capable of doing. and then that's it. So you want to end every one of your posts, all of your emails, etc., with a call to action, which is engage with me, call me, book me, something like that. So that's very, very important that you do that. Hey Maria, so just leaving it, having your space filled with just these fabulous posts about you is a little indulgent, which is, it's all about you. You need to make yourself shine. But you do want to have that, I'm available, call me. But you don't want it to be too salesy, so it's a little tricky. You gotta kind of finesse it a little bit. You gotta make it more personal. Like it can't be a, call now, book me now kind of a thing. So you kind of want to be a little subtle about it. Little things like, I'd love to hear from you. It's been a while, things like that. You don't want every single post to have this super marketing like Walmart call to action on it. So again, like I've told you before, when you are speaking to people who hire you, you want to speak to them like you know them. So however you want to engage and put that call to action out there, you want it to be a personable, genuine call to action. It gets a little tricky. You kind of got to find that sweet spot, and you got to play and see what works and what doesn't. And you will start to see that with the engagement, with the likes and the responses that you will get from your emails, from your posts, and things like that. So that's what I have for you today. Call to action, how to go about it, don't forget it, use it in balance, and it will work for you. Okay? So I am off to go deal with more subcontractors and get my floors done and pack some boxes, paint something. I've got so much to do. It's not even funny. I wish I had time to just... You guys are having a good day, and I will talk to you soon, and stay active on MUA Biz, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.